Alam mo bang first time ko itong mag-sailing?
Talaga? I think you're gonna like it, Christine.
Sa tingin ko rin nga eh. Sana dinala ko yung sketchpad ko, no? Ang ganda pala ng dagat pag dito mo tinignan.
Hey, feel the wind, Christine. It gives you a sense of freedom. Just the sea and you, and you're off to an adventure.
You must love the sea a lot, no?
Yes, it's a part of me. Kaya nga kita kinumbida rito eh. I want to show you my private world.
Ang sarap pala dito, no? It's so calm, so peaceful.
Kaya nga, pag may inisip akong malalim, dito ako nagpupunta.
Ano naman ang iniisip mo?
Marami. Kagaya ng future ko. Kagaya ng daddy ko. And I know from now on, kagaya mo. Alam mo, Christine, this past few days has been the most wonderful days of my life. Masaya lahat eh. Ang ganda ng feeling. I feel like I want to be with you every day.
I feel the same way, Mark.
Hey, I wasn't here when you drew this.
Yeah, layo niyan. Pinuntahan ko pa yan eh.
The raft! Remember the shark? I came from here. I traveled
Yung
from...
talaga, tinakot mo ko
Hey,
dyan.
you know what? I had such a hard
Yeah, you
time
still
staying
need to
underwater.
get
You should have
there.
screamed right away.
Sana hindi ka na lumitaw. Yeah.
Ah, the wishing well. Hey, this is where I got the rose that I was supposed
Yung bigay
to
mo kay
give.
Shirley?
Hindi naman para kay Shirley yun
Pasimple
eh.
ka pa, binigay mo kay Shirley yun.
Hindi, para sa'yo yun.
Oo, nag-usap kayo. Pasimple ka pa
Di
dyan.
ba na, hindi tayo matatapos. Hindi tayo matatapos. What's this?
My horse in the hacienda.
A horse? Is this a horse? Looks more like a donkey to me. Kaya lang, ang pangit ng buntot, ang paa, ang ulo. Horse na.
Hinahamon mo ako?
Hindi.
Masama ako
Maganda,
hamunin
maganda. Your dog, oh.
Mm-mm. Bubbles.
Yeah,
Ayan, the birds at the
Yan.
aviary.
the birds. The ones that have beautiful eyes.
Oo na, matigil ka lang dyan.
Oh,
Ah!
this is me. I'm ahead. I won in this game.
Hindi, si Raul pa yan ang siya pa nauuna. Tamo, you're just a mere shadow in the background.
Oh, come on, you mean that?
No.
Okay, got you there.
Mm.
This is what I like best.
Yung tree ng monkey namin.
Di ng monkey nyo.
Similar ba sa bahay mo? Similar ba? Similar?
Hindi naman.
Kung similar, kaya pala.
Then, nagustuhan ko lang kasi yung basket na
Kita
nasa
mo
tabi
na,
ng puno eh.
pasimple ka pa dyan.
Oh.
Laki-laki ng puno eh. Sabihin mo na parang bahay mo nakikita mo
Ganun
dyan.
na. Hindi, diyan ko kasi lalagay yung mga ulong ko,
Monkey yan
puputin
eh,
ko pag
monkey
nagalit ako
tree.
eh. Akin na lang to, ah. Here, put dedication naman, oh. Address it to me, ah.
Mhm. Mm.
I care. There's a rock concert this coming Saturday. You want to watch?
Saturday?
Yeah. I can get us tickets.
Yes, sige, I'll ask permission.
Yeah. Hey, there's a basketball game on TV tonight.
Yeah, sige. Turn on the TV.
Oh, wait lang, ah.
Sige.
Channel 4.
By Crispa in this quarter. 6:55 to go.
Ayan.
They're behind by
Oh, there, you watch, huh?
Jaworski now. Over to Talley for a turnaround try. Goes off. 70 to 69. 4 minutes and 52 to go. Fabiasa. Loses the ball to Florencio. Fabiosa pursuing Florencio.